Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. ASUS may well have been pulled out of the Android smartwatch market after its ZenWatch 3, but it's actually not quite done yet with wearables. At Computex, the company made a little surprise by unveiling the VivoWatch BP, which is a follow-up to the original low-power VivoWatch from 3 years ago. We're looking at a handful new features and improvements here, with the main highlight being the built-in blood pressure monitor, a rare feature in the smartwatch category. The only other recent direct competitors is the Omron HeartGuide, which is also due to launch later this year. The VivoWatch BP won't be winning prizes for its appearance. While the previously monochromatic high reflective display has now gained some colors, it's also gained a much thicker bezel to accommodate extra sensors on the front. The screen is positioned in a way that makes the bezel a little top-heavy, which was something I noticed on the original model as well. Unlike the HeartGuide, which uses an inflatable cuff, the VivoWatch BP's blood pressure monitor relies on both ECG sensors and PPG sensors. There's no word on whether this implementation is any less accurate, but just to be sure, there's one of each type of sensors on both the front and the back of the watch. To take a reading, simply unlock the watch using the button on the right, swipe to blood pressure reading mode, and keep your fingertip on the front-facing ECG sensors, the silver circular dial to the left of the screen, for about 15 to 20 seconds. The blood pressure is recorded along with other health data, including heart rate, sleep quality, distress index, and activity data. The watch can now automatically tell between normal activity and exercise for a more accurate tracking. When wirelessly synchronized, the watch companion app will use its health AI algorithm to provide personalized health advice, mainly by recommending the number of steps and sleeping hours you need daily to help reduce hypertension. In case you need extra guidance and motivation, the app also lets you share this data with your family or doctor. As with any proper sports watch these days, the VivoWatch BP comes with GPS tracking, which was a sorely missed feature on the original version. The location can be shared with family members, which makes a nice safety precaution for elderly use or just any runner, so long as the watch is connected to a phone. Another welcomed improvement here is the 28-day battery life under normal usage, which is more than double of that the previous model. In terms of price and availability, the VivoWatch BP will cost $169, but it won't be hitting the US until Q2 or Q3 next year due to pending FDA approval. However, it'll be available in the Asia first by the end of July this year. Given how this model fixes most of the earlier pain points while offering a unique function, ASUS stands a good chance of gaining traction in the healthcare wearable markets this time around. But that's assuming the device will pass all the relevant tests. But what do you guys think? Leave us your opinion in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching and see you next time.